Hi, I'm Louise and I am the owner and floral designer here at Wendy House Flowers based in Lyneham, Wiltshire. I'm here today to help you with your bouquet dilemmas. Here we have a selection of bouquets that are our most popular, bestsellers and guaranteed to wow your recipient. Starting firstly with our Merry Berry. This is a selection of seasonal flowers in beautiful berry tones. Perfect for every occasion, makes a wonderful gift, especially if you would like something on a smaller budget. Next we have, this is unique to Wendy House Flowers only. This is our all occasions range. They come designed in these beautiful glass vases in standard and deluxe sizes, complete with these beautiful wooden gift tags in a selection of different phrases for every occasion. So whether it's Mother's Day, happy birthday, or just because, we will have the right tag for you. Next we have our #1 bestseller. This is our Peaches and Cream. It's perfect for every occasion, and if you're not a typical girly pink, this is a good option to go for. And last of all, we have this absolute beauty. When you're saving it for a special occasion such as an anniversary, a birthday, a new baby, or you just need that get out of jail free card, this is the one I recommend. Go all out, go supreme, and go for the most deluxe bouquet you can. So whatever you're looking for at Wendy House Flowers, we will have the bouquet that's perfect for you. Give us a call at Wendy House Flowers or contact us online and we'll be happy to help.